21वीं सदी में बायोएथिक्स का क्या रोल है? जैसे कि आप अपने इर्द-गिर्द देख सकते हैं कि 21वीं सदी में बायोएथिक्स सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्थ केयर के फील्ड में आगे बढ़ी। इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट द हॉस्पिटल्स ओनली, इट इज़ अबाउट द हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, अबाउट द हेल्थ इंस्टीट्यूशंस, अबाउट द हेल्थ communities, about the communication, administration, technologies. So rapid advances takes place in the healthcare technology. Now, couples can even decide that whether they can have a handicapped child or not, whether they want abortion or not. So this become ethical for some communities but not for other communities. In 21st century, organization and global bioethics, ये दो नाम bioethics के साथ जोड़े गए क्योंकि bioethics बगैर किसी organization के नहीं चल सकती और अगर कोई bioethical issue raise होता है, it becomes a global bioethics. Now there are three principles of bioethics which were introduced by Toms and James. One of them was autonomy, the second one was beneficence, and the third one was justice. Now what is autonomy? This is what we cannot go against people wishes. For example, जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले एक एग्जांपल दी कि informed consent यानी कि इजाज़तनामा पेशेंट से साइन होगा, उसके गार्डियन से साइन होगा, तो तब जाके एक डॉक्टर जो है वो आगे सर्जरी कर सकेगा. Even treatment can only be start with the signed informed consent. Now with the first principle, autonomy, two important principles were introduced. The first one was non-maleficence and the third one was beneficence, that we are responsible for the betterment of our society, of other societies as well. For example, it is the responsibility of the physician to give good drugs to the patients which are good for their health but not harmful, because some drugs have greater side effects as compared to the other drugs. Now, being ethical, it means I am following laws. So justice is very important. For example, physicians can refer a drug which is very much expensive. So only small population can take benefit from it, not the whole population. So it is the responsibility of the hospital to get proper fundings from the funding agencies so that such medicines can be provided to everyone. So this is all about the bioethics in 21st century.